Imagine a world where the transportation of liquefied natural gas, or LNG, is fraught with countless hazards. Now consider the power of a HAZOP study in mitigating these potential dangers. HAZOP, which stands for Hazard and Operability, is a systematic and proactive method used to identify and manage potential risks in LNG transportation. Let's delve into the anatomy of a HAZOP study report. The report begins with an introduction that sets the foundation for the study. It outlines the purpose and goals, explaining the necessity of the study and providing a snapshot of the LNG transportation system, including key components such as cryogenic tankers and re-gasification facilities. Next, the study methodology unfolds. This section describes the approach taken in the study, detailing the systematic analysis of the process to identify deviations from the intended design. It also outlines the industry standards adhered to and the roles of the study team. Moving along, we arrive at the process description. It's here that the report provides a detailed overview of the LNG transportation process, from loading the LNG onto cryogenic tankers at the liquefaction plant to unloading at the re-gasification facility. The heart of the report is the HAZOP analysis. Each element of the process is examined to identify potential deviations and associated hazards. Each identified deviation is documented, along with potential causes, consequences, and safeguards. The risk assessment follows. Here, the report evaluates the risks associated with the identified hazards, considering factors like severity, frequency, and likelihood. The goal is to prioritize hazards based on their risk levels. Recommendations are then presented. These propose measures to mitigate identified risks and improve safety, including design modifications, procedural changes, or enhancements to emergency response plans. The report also outlines an emergency response plan, detailing procedures for handling spills, leaks, fires, and other critical situations. It addresses coordination with local emergency services and regulatory authorities. Finally, the report wraps up with a conclusion that summarizes key findings and confirms compliance with safety standards and regulations. It also emphasizes the importance of ongoing monitoring and maintenance. Supporting documentation is provided in the appendices, offering additional context and details to support the report's findings and recommendations. Remember, safety is not just a box to check. It's a commitment to the well-being of people and the environment. HAZOP studies play an essential role in ensuring the safe transportation of LNG, so take a moment to appreciate the depth and detail that goes into these reports. They are, after all, a beacon of safety in a world of potential hazards.